$289 million. That's how much African startup raised in January of 2025. Lemfi from Nigeria raised $53 million. PowerGen from Kenya secured an investment of $50 million, while Naked from South Africa closed at $38 million. Enco Education from Egypt attracted $24 million, where HereX from South Africa raised over $100 million. I can go on, but all these companies actually have one thing in common. All these companies are actually formed in the United States. Now, it is not news anymore that to raise funds from investors, your business or your company must be registered in the United States. And in today's video, I will show you the platform that you can actually use to register your business easily in the United States. Now, beyond company formation, this platform also files your monthly, quarterly, and yearly taxes for you in the United States, helps you navigate the tax laws so that you can save on taxes, stay compliant, and do not stress yourself in the tax season. They also offer you seamless bookkeeping, so you do not have to deal with messy spreadsheets, but you will have real-time access to your company's financial statement easily, among other stuff. I will show you this platform in a jiffy, but if you are seeing me for the first time, my name is Gerald, and what I do is that I actually make videos around making money online. So I try things out, they work, I come right here and show you guys what I've done, and the whole idea is that you can do the exact same thing and of course get the exact same result. So that's it, guys. It's important for you guys to smash the like button on this video, subscribe to my channel, and most importantly, turn on the bell notification button so that when I drop more amazing videos just like what you're about to watch right now, YouTube is gonna send you a notification instantly. Do you know that you can actually deduct up to $5,000 in startup costs in the year your business was actually formed doing your tax? That's part of what I'm going to be showing you guys in today's video. So what you need to do is to click on the first link in my video description. Once you click on it, it's going to bring you to the interface you're looking at right now on my laptop screen, right? And the website is Doola. And what this website does is that they do company formation, bookkeeping, business taxes, e-commerce analytics, one platform, one point of contact, zero stress. So they handle everything for you. You don't even need to hire an accountant, right? Because they're going to be doing everything and filing your tax return for you as well. This platform is actually backed by Y Combinator, HubSpot, Nexus, a whole lot of credible websites. They offer US business formation, right? Which means that they're going to register your business in the United States, right? And you can skip all the paperwork. You know, they set up your business so you can start selling faster or start doing your business faster or even start raising funds as a matter of fact, right? Stress-free taxes as well. You can stay compliant, save time, and never stress about tax seasons again. They also offer that service. Seamless sales analytics, right? That you know what's selling, what's not, and how to boost your revenue because they have other companies under their belt. So they know what's trending and they can also help you with that information. You know, also seamless bookkeeping. They help you keep your books and you can see what's happening in real time, right? In your financial statement, as a matter of fact, right? Business in a box where they give you everything you need: formation, bookkeeping, taxes, analytics, you know, bundled to save you time and money. Now maybe you already have an existing business. There's also an offer for you. So if you have already registered your business, right, they can also help you with tax filings, monthly bookkeeping, annual state filings, and of course e-commerce analytics, right? Plus VIP account management, dedicated bookkeeper, and CPA consultations. And if you are a new person trying to register your business, they will start from here. Register your business, register LLC. So if you're a new startup and your business is not yet registered in the United States, you know, they're also going to be offering that for you, right? They register your business in the USA, right? Then they also create a US bank account for you and payment, including Stripe and all of those things. They're going to be offering all of that for you. And of course, initial sales tax registration plus reseller certificate. They're going to be processing all of this for you as well. Now, before I show you how to get started, there's a feature I love on this particular platform. Let me show that to you guys. If you come here, you see where it says score $100,000 in perks from top worldwide brands. Now, what's happening here is that they have actually partnered with worldwide brands that you're probably going to be needing some of their services for your business, right? So I partner with them and they are going to be giving you a robust discount if you actually use it. Let me show you what I mean. Now, for Shopify, you can actually get Shopify for $1 a month, right? On this particular platform, right? With a free trial. So there's also TikTok for business, and they're going to be giving you 50% off ad spend, up to $100 in ad credits, right? So this is basically running ads for half the price, as a matter of fact. You also get 20% off Omnisend for email and SMS marketing, you know, 10% off sales tag registration for hosts, auto DDS, all of this. So all of these platforms, you're going to be getting a discount on all of them. If you're a business owner, there's a high chance that you need some of these services, as a matter of fact. So how do you get started on Doola? Very simple. All you need to do is to come here and click on where it says create a free account. Very simple, very easy to do. Come here, put in you can also sign up an account with Google, or you can put in your first name here, your last name here, your phone number goes in here, your email address, your password, repeat your password again, right? And hit sign up with email. That's all you need to do, right? So how much does this cost? If I come here and hit pricing, right? There are different pricing options, as a matter of fact. If you need a new US company, all plans include $0 business formation plus state fees, okay? So come here and you see that this starter plan is $297. But beyond this, you are getting formation filings. You're also getting employer identification number, EIN, which is very important, right? You also get operating agreements / corporate bylaws. They're going to be writing this for you as well, right? Now, for this plan, you're not going to be getting expedited EIN processing unless you are going with the annual billing. Now, you're not going to be getting the sales tax registration or sales certificates for this particular package, right? You know, there's also compliance, registered agent service, virtual mailing or business address. So this literally means that they're providing an office for you in the US as well. So you can receive your correspondence, mails and all of those things, right? There's also annual state filings. There's a CPA consultation. There is business IRS tax filings. There's also e-commerce analytics, tracking your transactions, send invoices, download financial reports, right? Connect multiple bank accounts, monthly or quarterly closings, dedicated bookkeeper. They're actually hiring a bookkeeper for you, dedicated just for you alone, right? You're also going to be getting $100,000 in perks and reward, which I just showed you just before now, right? Now, this is amazing because you're paying this thing for just a year, right? $297, less than $300 for a year is a steal, in my opinion, right? But for this startup plan, you're not going to be getting a lot. If you're a serious-minded business person, you should be considering this plan or this plan. But if you actually want to test it out and see how their services is, you can actually go for this particular plan. But I will encourage you to go for this plan, right? Because this is total compliance and this is business in a box. Now, the difference between this and this is that this money, you pay it monthly, right? You pay this monthly, and this money, you just pay it in a year and forget it. As a matter of fact, my business right now is actually runs on this particular plan. So I get everything that is here, everything that is listed, except monthly and quarterly closings and dedicated bookkeeper. Now, if you want these two stuff, right, you should go for this monthly plan where you pay $329 every single month to get this. What this means literally is that you can deduct up to $5,000 for organizational expenses in the year your business was formed, which means if you actually formed your business in 2025, at the end of 2025, when you are doing your taxes, you can actually deduct up to $5,000 that you spend in your startup cost, as a matter of fact, right? So, and this includes the money you spend paying for your Doola subscription, right? So if you pay $2,000 for your subscription, you can actually deduct it from your tax. As a matter of fact, your Doola subscription is tax deductible and can be used to offset some of the taxes that your business may need to pay. Easy peasy, right? And the interesting thing is that they would handle all of these things for you. Now, companies like Flagaholics, StoryApp, and Vitrans actually use Doola to register their company, which is why their founders and CEOs are featured right here. And these are things that they have to say. So if you are still sitting on the fence, this is a good testimonial for you. Now, one of the things I love so much about Doola is the fact that they have free resources that can actually help you in your journey, right? So there are things like blogs, ebooks, 15-minute founder events, partner press release and media, Doola marketplace, university, about us and career. So I actually love the university a little more than I actually love others. And if you come to university, you're going to be seeing the fact that there are exciting course lessons for you. Things like when should you form your LLC or corporation? What type of business entity should you form? Is it an LLC? Is it a corporation? What's the best state for your company, right? There are states that actually have lower taxes and others have higher taxes, and there are perks to all of these things. So you can actually go ahead and watch this video to understand why you should choose a specific state and not the other one, right? So what documents do you need to register your company? So that this video will show you that, right? We explain that to you. And also, do you need a registered agent? Do I need SSN, EIN, or ITIN, DAO, smart contract, Doola LLC, explained all of these things. So this is actually the founder of Doola explaining these things in great details by himself. As a matter of fact, before I actually registered my company in the US, I took my time to go through all of this, right? And trust me, it gave me a whole lot of insights. So if you want to register your company in the US, what you need to do is to click on the first link in my video description. Once you click on it, it's going to bring you to Doola, and you can go ahead and set up an account and complete the entire process. It is easy, it is seamless. And if you have any question at all, let me know in the comment section, as I'm going to be there to answer all of your questions, guys.